guys, Emily here, and let's talk really quick about overeating. It is not the end of the world. Everybody is going to overeat at some time, and it's not the end of the world. And if it's done once in a while, no big deal. But if it's done on a more consistent basis, then of course that's going to be problematic as far as weight loss, fat loss goes. But there are things that you can do to make it easier to not overeat as often. And a few things are just, number one, the biggest thing is keep those tempting foods out of the house. You know, you may buy it for somebody else, but at the end of the day, eventually you're going to cave, and it might be just a food that for this time might just be a good idea to keep out of the house. Secondly, take time. You know, if you're really craving something, give yourself, set a clock for 15 to 20 minutes and revisit the situation. You know, sometimes you don't even want that food anymore. Get busy, go brush your teeth, drink about 2 glasses of water, and see if you're really wanting that food. Was it a hunger issue? Was it a boredom issue? And you may even forget about it. So at the end of that 20 minutes, if you still want the food, go for it. But you know, you've done things to like dull the hunger a little bit, like drinking water and everything. So if it's true hunger, if it's true boredom, you're gonna figure that out pretty quick. Third, I want you to plan ahead. Planning ahead and knowing exactly what you're gonna eat for the day makes you less vulnerable to situations and times in your day where you're like gonna grab anything because you're just so super hungry, and makes a lot less on the spot decisions. So know what you're gonna eat, and that also gives you an ability to like plan for more fun food and put treats in your day so that you're not feeling deprived. So that's always a good thing to do. And last but not least, know that you can always get back on track. All you have to do is get on track the very next meal. Don't wait till Monday, don't wait till the weekend, just the very next meal. The people that are most consistent have the best results, that even if they overeat, they're just getting back on track the very next meal. That's all you gotta do. Clean slate. Hope that helps. Bye.